Do you want to speak English confidently in just 30 days? Welcome to the 30-Day English Speaking Challenge. In this challenge, you will learn 100 daily used English sentences every single day. These are real sentences people use in everyday conversations. If you follow this challenge for 30 days, you will learn 3,000 powerful English sentences that will help you speak naturally and confidently. All you need to do is listen carefully, repeat after me, and practice these sentences daily. Remember, the more you practice, the faster your English will improve. So get ready to improve your English step by step.
Hello everyone, welcome to Daily English. Today we will learn 100 daily used English sentences. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's start. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good night. How are you? I am fine. What is your name? My name is Samad. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? I am from India. Please sit down. Please stand up. Please listen carefully. Repeat after me. Speak slowly, please. I understand. I don't understand. Can you help me? Thank you. You are welcome. Excuse me. I am sorry. No problem. It's okay. Don't worry. Take care. Have a nice day. See you later. See you tomorrow. What are you doing? I am working. I am studying. I am learning English. I am busy right now. Please wait. Just a moment. Come here. Go there. Look at this. What happened? What is the matter? Are you okay? I am happy today. I am tired. I am hungry. I am thirsty. Let's go. Let's start. Let's try again. That's good. That's great. That's amazing. That's interesting. I agree with you. I don't agree. Maybe you are right. I think so. I hope so. I don't think so. What time is it? It's 8 o'clock. I am getting late. Hurry up. Be careful. Drive safely. Call me later. Send me a message. Check your phone. Turn on the light. Turn off the fan. Close the door. Open the window. Bring some water. Give me a pen. I need help. I will do it. I will try. I promise. Trust me. What do you think? Do you like it? I like it. I love it. I hate it. It's very good. It's very bad. It's too expensive. It's very cheap. That's enough. Don't be late. Keep practicing. Practice every day. Never give up. Believe in yourself. You can do it. Keep learning. Stay positive. Stay motivated. See you tomorrow. If you want to improve your English, listen to these sentences every day and repeat them aloud. Practice makes you fluent. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, Daily English, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow with Day 2, 100 more daily English sentences.